Welcome back. In the previous videos, we have seen which are the different ways to leverage AI agents. Let's continue from there. We'll take a look of some more popular tools and framework for AI agent development. So next tool is called CrewAI. CrewAI is cutting edge framework for creating collaborative AI agents, allowing them to tackle complex tasks together. This open source tool is available on GitHub and boasts over 20,000 stars. Crew AI enables seamless team coordination among agents, creating collaborative intelligence. So, what are the highlights of this, right? Role playing capabilities for agents, built in collaborative workflows, enterprise version available for advanced use cases. So, they have a vast example repository. So, I will add a link after this video. You can take a look at it. So, next one is LangGraph. LangGraph is a flexible framework for managing diverse control flows such as single agent, multi agent, hierarchical, and sequential setups. It excels in handling complex scenarios and offers features like built in moderation and quality assurance loop. So what are the highlights? Cognitive architecture templating, easy configuration of tools, prompts, and models, tutorials in Python for quick setup. So, what could be the use case? Multi agent workflows can be designed using LangGraph, ensuring reliability and scalability. So, there is one more framework called LlamaIndex. LlamaIndex is designed for building context-augmented AI application using LLMs. It enables the creation of agents for use cases such as RAG, report generation, customer support, and SQL querying. So highlights for this: pre-built samples in Python and TypeScript, easy integration for various applications. What could be the use case? Building AI agents that handle customer support or generate complex reports with augmented contextual data. So I will add all this link in the resources after the video. So there are some more framework we can discuss. One is B agent framework. B agent, it's developed by IBM, simplifies the process of creating scalable agent workflows with robust support for popular LLMs like Granite and Llama 3. To take a look at a feature, so it comes with built-in tools and sandboxed code interpreters, multi-strategy memory optimization, serialization for stateful workflows, instrumentation for full visibility into agent operation, open AI compatible API for seamless integration. One simple use case could be Beast framework is ideal for production level agent deployment with robust error handling and caching. Next one is Autogen. So this is from Microsoft. This is another powerful AI framework designed to create agents capable of tackling sophisticated tasks. It provides extensive customization and enterprise grade support. So there are so many tools in the market. What is the right way to choose right tools and framework, right? So I have come up with some of the simple rule. So one is top three which I have listed here: team capabilities, speed to market, and scalability and maintenance. So in team capabilities, no code platforms are ideal for non-technical users, and developer framework cater to engineering teams. So it's a good start if you start with the no code tools. So it is easy to integrate and do a trial and error. And parallelly, developers can start look at the developer frameworks so that you can have more customization into it in future. Speed to market, pre-built solution enable rapid deployment. It's we have seen drag and drop kind of tools, right? So if you are in a need to go to production soon, probably you can take a look at pre-built solution. Next is fully customized build allow for maximum control. Next one is scalability and maintenance. Evaluate how easily agent ecosystem can be updated and expanded as your business grow. So it's more like customization and you know make a room for changes in future, right? As your business goes, there will be a lot of new use cases. How effectively the tool what you have chosen is able to accommodate that. So that is also one of the factor you need to look at it when choosing tools and framework. So we are end of this particular section. Let's conclude this. By leveraging the right tools and framework, you can streamline the process of building and deploying AI agents, whether you opt for pre-built solutions for a quick start or choose a developer framework for ultimate customization. The key is aligning your approach with your team's skills and business goals. As the AI ecosystem continues to evolve, these resources will empower you to create intelligent, scalable, and impactful agents for variety of use cases. See you in next video.